Do you ever feel like you're missing out on key information on trades? What this ends up leading to is you moving down from 1 minute charts, 10 seconds chart, 1 second charts. You're trying to find out more information. You're trying to see what's really going on. The problem you have here is that as a trader, you're at a disadvantage if you're not seeing what's actually happening. See, what a regular chart does is shows the past. It shows you where the market has been, the prices that it's traded at, but it doesn't show transactions. It doesn't show why we've moved here, the sort of push, the pull in getting to wherever you're getting to. So without this information, you're seeing a pretty small, limited picture of what's going on. This is where price ladder comes in. What price ladder gives you is the actual action as it's happening. A bit like, the old trading pits where you could see and feel the energy of what was going on in the market at any point of time. So it reveals order flow. It shows every buy and sell order as it comes to market. Without these insights, you're kind of out of the loop. You know that you're missing something. You know other people are seeing more than you. And ultimately, you're relying on past data. You're relying on prices that have just traded for your view as to what's coming next. Other people have got clarity, you haven't. So if you want to understand how to read a price ladder, what a price ladder shows you, and essentially what you are missing out on, come and join me on the 26th of November. The link is below. It's a free webinar. I'll break down what a price ladder shows you, how to use it, and how to use it in conjunction with other tools as well. This is vital for all traders on our floors. It's the key tool. So come and join 26th of November. Stop guessing what's going to be going on based on old price data and see what's actually happening in real time. See you then.